Now, today we will learn about permanent tissue. The tissue which formed from the meristematic tissue after losing ability of division and it become permanent tissue. The phenomena by which meristematic tissue divides and takes permanent shape, size and performs specific function and become permanent tissue, this phenomena is known as differentiation. Now due to differentiation, now the meristematic tissue is become permanent tissue. There are two type of permanent tissue is present in plants: simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. Now first is simple permanent tissue. These tissues are formed of only one type of cell that are structurally and functionally are similar. Majorly simple permanent tissues are categorized in three types: parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. Now first is parenchyma. The parenchyma tissue cells are made up from cellulose. That's why they are living cell. They are elongated in shape. They have intercellular space. If we see about the structure of function of parenchyma, you can see so many chloroplast is present inside the parenchyma cells. So this chloroplast help parenchyma to perform photosynthesis. That's why parenchyma is also called chlorenchyma. This is one of reasoning question in your exam, that why parenchyma is also called chlorenchyma. So what you have to write, that parenchyma have chloroplasts which have chlorophyll pigment which help in photosynthesis. That's why it is called chlorenchyma. Another structure or function of parenchyma, that in parenchyma air cavities is present which gives buoyancy to float on water to aquatic plants. So this is another reasoning question, that why parenchyma is also called aerenchyma. So what you have to write, in parenchyma cells air cavities present which help to float on water. That's why it is known as aerenchyma. Example, like lotus plant can float on water due to presence of this parenchyma tissue. Now, location of parenchyma tissue, it is widely distributed in plant body like flowers, stem, leaf, etc. Now, next is collenchyma. Collenchyma, they are polygonal in shape. They have less intercellular space. The wall thickening is made up from cellulose and pectin, and due to presence of cellulose, they are also living cells. Now, location of collenchyma, they are found in leaf stalk below epidermis. Next is sclerenchyma. Sclerenchyma cells are spindle in shape. They do not have intercellular space. The cells are dead and deposited from lignin. Due to presence of lignin, the sclerenchyma have high strength and stiffness. What is lignin? Lignin is a cement-like chemical substance which gives strength to plant. Location of sclerenchyma, it is present on the hard covering of seeds and nuts. It is also present in leaf veins, and it is also present in stem around vascular bundle. You can see this blue color is a vascular bundle, and around this sclerenchyma tissue is present. One of interesting thing, that the husk of coconut is also made up from sclerenchyma. So it gives strength and stiffness to plant. This is all about permanent tissue. Thank you.